I have been teaching mathematics in senior high school for the past 10 years, and I have come to realize that every single year, students keep repeating similar mistakes when they are dealing with mathematics questions. In this video, I am going to take you through some of the mistakes that are making students lose marks and also frustrating teachers when they are teaching them. Hi, lovely one. This is Maths Made Easy tutorial video with me, Anthony Osei Mensah, popularly referred to as the Mathematics Doctor. In this video, I am going to illustrate and demonstrate to you most of the mistakes that students have been making when they are dealing with mathematics questions. Let us start. Common mistake number one. The question says simplify 2x squared plus 4x squared. Let us see the mistakes students have been making. Now, such a question can be found around algebra or under algebra. Now, when students are asked to simplify this, they tend to now do it this way. 2 plus 4 is giving us 6. Then x squared plus x squared is giving us x. 2 plus 2 raised to the power 4. This is wrong. Now let us see the correct way of doing such a question like this. Now, if you study, it says 2x squared plus 4x squared. Now, under adding or subtracting variables, the variable here is the alphabet x. We should make sure that the variables are like terms. Now, like term means that we must have the same variable raised to the same power. The same variable raised to the same power. The x squared and this x squared are like terms. Now look at this. When they are like terms, don't change the powers of the variable. Just maintain the power. Now you will deal with the number in front of the variable called the coefficient. This 2 means that the x squared are 2 of them, so they are 2x squares. And 4 means that there are 4 of the x squared. So look at this. 2 of the x squares plus 4 of the x squares will give us 6 of the x squares, making 6x squared. Now this is the right way of doing it. So please, anytime you are giving such a question, please make sure that the variable as well as the power and the variable here as well as the powers are the same. That makes them like 10. Now x squared, don't change it. Just add the coefficient 2 to the coefficient 4, then repeat the same x squared, meaning addition can only deal with like terms, and when you are adding, the variable and the power must be repeated. It doesn't change. But on the other side, it is under multiplication that it changes. So something like x squared plus x squared. Here, one of the x squared and another one of the x squared gives us 2x squared, because there is 1 here as the coefficient, since there's no coefficient, and also there is 1 here. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So we have 2 of the x squares. But in case you are saying x squared multiplied by x squared, because of the rule of indices or the indices first law, the powers will add because of the multiplication sign. So the xx is a base, so we repeat it and we add the powers since it is multiplied. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4, giving us x raised to the power 4. So you can only add powers under simplifying variables when there is a multiplication with the same basis. But under addition, please make sure they are like terms. The same as subtraction, you maintain the variable and the power when you simplify. Thank you.